We had the crowds on YouTube.
Man, the opposition and more.
No opposition to say.
Nyamiadum, I hope call. Say, oh, say, Emmy Papamono. Said the baby money or power na say abo position e nkakan kakra do bon sanity what you say e bi ko na bi aba nti ene e soro china so be ye form nti e yen se ugina honum
we responsible opposition there
oh nyamiadum but yes and the niam ba ko mi no bi so ekeka ho behind the scenes
nti we are pija microphone
yes unse ene wo be pm NPP amayoku ma party no ya di jumadi bitu akwemu registration of members Nhyiaeso obi anko ne polling station enko register na unze me constituency issue kakra pi ono man be pi Akoma FM unze me in charge of elections and me am din so
Akoma FM
wo issue nimbe
Akoma FM Akoma FM for obia ograde so di no nanimu sa so the director of elections
o meme den na unze muchabo mo
research
and elections yeah and na unze
muchabo platforms so
bebre but media san man dey na attention said ankoso sa but ya na times no at times na ya na said any party anymore there are certain information bia you don't get it. They make out here. Me I'm not even referring to there are people some time ago be an NPP and be omukodi different party mo so but na be a kwant was be an party mo kwai no betumi aside dey aba back so ango for no nema bebre ho no ma ekoso a ya na omunim what you see but they take it out of context the create nema bebre unim say before the registration exercise so yeah the exercise books in there constituencies decide say among the exercise books by registration so into ma time the book na ngasa headquarters yes they be register e be do here no now already they be must started the exercise book here dada they make out as and for some time now at times here the register base and ejuma even voter register album na electoral commission de my de koye elections no e be delegates obi beto ano wateke no at times e call out e beba no na the state in the condition the woman no very very worse and through that no a lot of the coordinators finding ways and means on the exercise books ebeje information and normal record egwabon and man create a whole lot of issues and nankofo bi so ntiase instead of them to find out
sad and now was yes someone no
and yes sir but me person say the arrival of the books no and we a leader you have to find a way and then a means to address issues so but I mean because when you privy to that information now you might take it to a different angle at the end of the day no emwa adwuma na ye ni nyina enti mame nda wase
enti ne kwakra
man fa nchia sonko e fa man nchia
asam no wa wie de
nchia maybe
okay enti ne kwakra said e ba ye bia no nokra bia nim
yeah nokra bia nim
there's a press conference why
nokra bia enti I think say